Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Don't skip video, solve your issue. So guys, first of all, close your Instagram app. So guys, first of all, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, simply first of all, go to Play Store and tap on search bar and search Instagram app. So guys, make sure that your Instagram app updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your Instagram app. After this, go back. So guys, you need to now tap on your mobile phone settings and open your mobile phone apps and tap on apps search bar and search Instagram app. Now tap on Instagram app. So guys, simply click on storage and click on clear cache and go back. So guys, scroll down. Now tap on permission. So guys, turn on all permission. After this, go back. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.